Local news for Thursday the 30th of May. A busy afternoon yesterday for emergency services, attending a number of incidents. There was one on High Street, Masterton, where an apparent road rage incident took place and saw a person allegedly seriously assaulted. Short time later, there was a crash at the intersection of Norfolk Road and the main state highway south of Masterton that saw the northbound lane blocked for approximately 1 hour. Dozens of teachers and supporters protested outside the Masterton Town Hall yesterday, along with others joining in the capital. And the Takeaways exhibition opens tomorrow at Undertoy. It's a series of political bird paintings by Masterton artist Paul Gadsby. Captures current environmental issues and our impact on native species and their habitat. A public meeting to help save Poto House, the Wairarapa College hostel, will be held next Tuesday. A large turnout is expected for the meeting, set to be held in the dining hall at 6:30pm. And in sport, former Carterton and Wairarapa Bush player Isaac Bracewell has been picked for a Wellington 15 that'll play a Manawatu 15 at the Live-In Domain. Also, the Ferries Wairarapa Bush are away this weekend. They'll take on the Hawke's Bay Saracens on Monday, also at 1 o'clock in Hawke's Bay.